Hello, and we're back again to do another video. So last week I was painting this house, but this needs more than one coat of paint. So, you can't just keep putting thick layers on because then you'll keep getting brush strokes. So, the first layer you can use out of the pot, just thick, it's fine. But the next layers you have to use thinned paint, otherwise you're going to get brush strokes like this. So this week I'll just be completing the white layer. You're also going to need a couple coats, so I'm just going to thin it with water, and then I'll start painting. Okay, so I've painted the house up a bit more, so it's now got more blocked in sort of feeling with the white. And now I'm going to paint the floorboards and the beams in this sort of dark brownish colour. Okay, so I painted the floor with this. On camera it looks a lot sort of more red, but in if you actually look at it in real life it's more of a dark brown, but on camera it looks a bit red. It's not meant to be. So I painted the floor with that brown, and looks pretty good. Next I'm gonna now paint the top of this house here with like the sort of brown colour, not the same as this one but a different brown colour. So this is what I've done for this week. Now the house is nowhere near complete, but this is what I've done so far. Okay, and then I did the inside with that colour, that sort of beige colour. And then I did the floor, and then I did these beams, and you remember I did them with matches. And that was because I actually did set them on fire a little bit after I painted it. Now, I'm probably not going to do this again because I think it was a really bad idea. Because while it does look cool, it's kind of unsafe to just go and burn wood covered in acrylic paint. That's probably, not gonna lie, it's probably done some nasty stuff to my body. So I don't plan on ever doing this again. Doing a burnt thing like this again. If it wasn't covered in paint, I would do it, but since it was, that's my mistake, and I feel like that's obvious. There's going to be some real problems later down the road of my life because I've set acrylic paint. Basically, I didn't set it on fire. I just charred it a bit, but I know it's definitely some sort of fumes coming off there. But that was good, and this house is coming across really, really nicely. It's my first time really using white this much and trying to do sort of burnt things. It's really my first time, so I think especially this part. If it wants to focus, okay, it doesn't. But yeah, look, when this project is finished, I will really post loads of pictures about it. But so far, this is going quite nicely, and the little sort of thing I put on top, the sort of rust brown colour, really makes the building sort of pop out, look nice. It's not just a white piece of wood, it's an actual building. It looks really nice. Next week I'll be doing detailing, so that these exposed bricks, these little sort of window sills and other little bits and bobs, I'll be highlighting those with a certain colour, and I'll think about what colour I'm going to use, but that's what it's going to be. And then I'm going to weather it, make it look all beat up like an actual building, and that will be this project done. This project's taken a while because I keep going on and off it, to be honest, but it's going well so far and I'm really proud of it, so thank you for watching, and that's what I've done this week.